Standing still is hard to do. When you feel you have reached the end, He'll make a way for you.
Magandang umaga po at welcome po sa ating programa, My Morning Manna with Pastor OG. Buksan po natin ang ating mga Biblia sa aklat po ng 2 Chronicles chapter 16 verse 9. Ito po ang pagkasabi sa salita ng Panginoon. The eyes of the Lord run to and fro throughout the whole earth to show Himself strong on behalf of those whose heart is loyal to Him. This morning, pag-uusapan po natin ang topic na nagsasabing the eye of God. Although we cannot see the eyes of God, we can be assured that He sees us. May mga panahon na nag-iisip tayo na ang Diyos ay hindi nakakita sa atin, no? But remember that God's eye is too big that we cannot escape. It is so clear that we cannot hide. Sa Amerika po, mayroon na tinatawag na helix nebula. Sabi nila that is the eyes of God, no? Yung makikita nila sa sky. But it's not. The eyes of God is more than that, no? Higit pa dyan. To know that God sees us brings both conviction and comfort. Bakit napakahalaga, mga kapatid, na magkaroon tayo ng knowledge nito? Bakit? Because when we know that God sees us, we can be convicted, no? Na hindi tayo, mag-iingat din tayo na hindi gagawa ng masama. At the same time, meron din assurance na kung ano mang mangyari sa atin, alam ng Diyos lahat dahil napakalaki ng kanyang mata. Remember this, that the eyes of God is wherever it is. It sees us and we can find comfort because He sees us every now and then. Kaya po magtiwala lang po tayo sa Kanya dahil alam niya po ang ating naranasan ngayon because God's eyes sees us. In Jesus' name, God bless po. At maraming salamat.
And let God move. Stand still.